Happy Friday! Welcome back to How We Rose Cook. Get your blender ready because this is a perfect blend for your stews or any rice dish. This was a Facebook live stream and most of the ingredients is already in the processor, but they will be repeated further on in the video. And I have some fresh scallion that I cut from the backyard, nice and ready to be blended. Not sure if you're seeing. Alright, so if you're just joining, we have our parsley, onion. I have 3 of these red peppers, which is not hot. They add flavor to your pot, but they're not hot. I have a Scotch bonnet. I have a orange habanero. Lots of thyme, ginger, onion. Adding in the bell peppers. I have some scallion here. These are from the garden. Alright, so we're gonna add these later. I'm gonna add a little olive oil in there. And we're not adding any salt. When we're cooking, we can adjust the salt. Add some lime flavor in there. Or vinegar, whichever one you prefer to use. And then you can blend it. Add in the rest of the scallion. We are done. I guess it will work. So this is our lovely green seasoning. Add whatever herbs you want to add in there, whatever spices. And if you want to go ahead and add seasoning to this, you can go ahead and do that. But I like to season my meat, whatever I'm cooking, I like to season it. And then I will add my green seasoning. That's how I always do it. I don't add any salt or anything in here. Thank you, Marcia. Thank you, Janet. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I really appreciate you for stopping by. Now go ahead and make your fresh green seasoning and cook your delicious dinner for your family.